Hey everyone! Want to post more than 10 photos on Instagram? In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to do it using Instagram Reels. Perfect for sharing 15, 20, or even more images in one post. Let's get started. Step 1. Start by selecting all the photos you want to include, whether it's 12, 20, or more. Make sure they're saved on your phone in the right order. Step 2. Open Instagram, tap the plus button, and select Reel. This will allow us to create a slideshow-like video from your photos. Step 3. Tap the gallery icon in the bottom left corner. Select multiple photos by tapping and holding one, then choosing the rest. Arrange them in the order you want. Step 4. Instagram sets a default duration, but you can adjust the timing of each photo to make it faster or slower. You can also add music, text, or transitions to make it more engaging. Step 5. Once you're happy with it, tap Next, write your caption, add tags, and post it. Now your 20 plus photos are all in one seamless reel. Bonus tip: use editing apps like CapCut or InShot to make the slideshow beforehand with transitions, and then just upload it directly as a reel for a more polished look. And that's how to upload more than 10 photos on Instagram using Reels. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick tutorials. See you next time!